Hello everyone, I am Rima and I warmly welcome you all to the today's session. We have with us an extraordinary personality, someone who has not only built a successful business but also sparked a movement to revolutionize how India perceives nutrition and sustainable wellness. Meet Dr. Nidha Patel, the founder and the founder and the Morning Valley, a qualified lawyer turned dynamic entrepreneur who is making a remarkable impact in the food as well as in the health sector. Welcome to Krishi Jagran, Dr. Nidha. Over to you.
Hi, I will just correct that I have completed my advocacy degree, but I'm not a doctor. So you can refer me just as Neda. Yes, so we started this movement, Morning Wale, wherein we are trying to fight protein deficiency in India with our one and only protein powder that is Sattu. Everybody know, and the educative class or the maybe the high class knows it as plant-based protein, of course. And that's the whole journey, and that's how we started. I started this journey because of my son,
Okay.
and we are reaching out to farmers wherein the crops wherein we feel that there is a potential in this crop, and then we should take it on a platform. We have built an app and a website, and we are taking it live and advertising it so that we can support farmers and nutritive food, and we can bring those nutritive rural food to urban India, and we can connect urban to rural India. So that's the whole purpose.
Okay, so it's really inspiring to hear you about this. So, my first question to you, ma'am, is that Morning Wala has a very unique name and it also has a very strong vision for transforming India's food culture. What inspired you to embark on this journey and how do you plan to achieve this mission?
So inspired, it's my childhood because I've been brought up by parents who belong to a very rural, who have a very rural connect, as in father being from Haryana and mama being from UP. I've always had, good food, nutritive food from the rural India and not from the urban India. We were not allowed to have, the fast food which is available in the market. And being a vegetarian, my protein diet used to be sattu, very primarily very important. When it happened that my son happened, and I realized that we all have become very modern, but none of us is finding roots and going back to our roots and finding those nutritive value that we I used to find as a kid. And that's how I started this journey of getting fresh milk, millets, and sattu, and fresh spices from GI tagged states to this platform and to my household. And that's how the journey started. Basically, Morning Wala Naam also started that every morning has to be beautiful. It resonates with my name also. Nidha is sunrise,
Oh.
and my co-founder's name is Deepan. That is my husband again. That दिया जो कभी बुझता नहीं है, तो morning जो कभी जाएगी नहीं. And we want to reach every household with this nutritive value and help everybody that what we are having they should be having too.
Ma'am, it's really very, unique to have this kind of name Morning Wale and the story behind it. It's also very amazing. So, moving ahead, my next question to you, ma'am, is that protein deficiency. It really a very serious issue in India. So, how do Morning Wala Sattu premixes help compacting this problem? And what makes them a superior nutritional choice?
So sattu is a nutrition superior quality, as we all know. Sattu, which is chana sattu roasted gram, already protein rich होता है. हुआ क्या मतलब आप पिछले टाइम में कि वेस्टर्न सिविलाइजेशन की वजह से वे प्रोटीन इतना ज़्यादा इंडिया में प्रोमिनेंट हो गया, और वेस्टर्न कल्चर इतना ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट हो गया, हमें पता ही नहीं चला कि अब कब हमने अपना प्रोटीन जो है वो वे प्रोटीन में ढूंढने लग गए और सत्तू को भूल गए. हमारे देश में खाने में हर न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू है, हम सबसे पुरानी सिविलाइजेशन है इन कंपैरिजन टू वेस्टर्न सिविलाइजेशन. खाने में nobody can match Indian civilization, Indian food industry in terms of crops or protein, iron, any deficiency you talk about, those deficiency will be looked after by Indian meals. And that's why अगर आप एक wholesome Indian meal खा रहे हो ना, you will not have any deficiency. One of that part is sattu. समर्स में इसलिए इसको ज़्यादा प्रमोट किया जाता है कि जौ का सत्तू, चने का सत्तू, प्रोटीन ज़्यादा होता है, आयरन ज़्यादा होता है। इंडिया में सिर्फ प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी नहीं, आयरन डेफिशिएंसी भी है। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सत्तू कैन हेल्प all of us, as in it can help overcome iron and protein deficiency. It has more fiber. One glass of sattu is equals to one bowl of salad, because it not only has protein, it has fiber, it has iron, and it has all other minerals and vitamins that can help you with the meal. So as we at morning wale we say one bowl of salad is equals to one glass of sattu. So sattu is like how we made these premixes, because people today did not know how to make sattu, right? Every now and then everybody would come and ask कि कैसे बनाते हैं. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सबसे बड़ा मेरा प्रॉब्लम था बच्चों को सत्तू देना, क्योंकि बच्चों को वो टेक्सचर समझ नहीं आ रहा था. तो हमने इसको इतना फाइनली ग्राइंड किया, बोनवीटा पे रिसर्च की, बोनवीटा का टेक्सचर हम अपने सत्तू में लेकर आए. वी लॉन्च चॉकलेट सत्तू, जिसमें कोकोआ पाउडर एंड जैगरी पाउडर हमने मिक्स किया. देर इज़ नो शुगर, नो प्रिजर्वेटिव्स एंड नो एडिक्टिव्स. हमने इसमें 4 फ्लेवर शुरू किए: चॉकलेट सत्तू, मलाई मावा, जीरा सत्तू एंड चटपटा चाट. सारे इंडियन फ्लेवर से हैं और सब में नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं. आपने 2 स्कूप 1 ग्लास छाछ में, दूध में, पानी में, जिसमें भी मिलाना है पियो, and enjoy that 25 gram in 2 scoop. So that's how these premixes started, and these premixes are ready to go drink just like your whey protein. We wanted to replace whey protein, Bonvita, Horlicks, Complan, and all of this for kids and adults with Sattu premixes.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for telling us that the health benefits that Sattu has, and also the study that you have done to make Sattu more likable, especially to children. So, moving ahead, ma'am, my next question to you is about the app, which is Morning Wala app. So, the Morning Wala app is a very unique step towards making nutrition more accessible. So, could you share some key features of the app and how it empowers users to make more healthier food choices?
So we introduced this app because there is quick commerce and everybody is in the app, and app is more relatable than website. Right now, we wanted organic grocery to be a part of every home in India and not a luxury class, because some brands have made it a luxury segment, which at Morning Valley we didn't want it to. And we are getting at the best price possible from the farmers directly. एंड व्हेन वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम द फार्मर्स, इट्स ईजियर कि हम ऐप पे लेकर आए, ऐप की एक्सेसिबिलिटी हो, लोग राशन एज अ राशन मॉर्निंग वाले को एज अ किराना स्टोर यूज़ कर सके. So the idea was to develop मॉर्निंग वाले एज अ किराना नेक्स्ट डोर, दैट आप मंथली राशन ऑर्डर करते हो, आप ऐप से वही मंथली राशन, अपने स्पाइसेस, अपने दाल, अनपॉलिश दाल, अपने आटे, जो भी हेल्दी चॉइसेस है वो आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हो और अपने किचन में इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हो. ऐप इज़ ईजियर ऑप्शन देन वेबसाइट, बिकॉज फ़ोन पे लोग सब फ़ोन यूज़ करते हैं, कोई लैपटॉप यूज़ नहीं करता है. सो इट्स ईजियर कि हम ऐप को इंट्रोड्यूस करें ताकि हम लोगों के फ़ोन में रहे एंड लोगों के पास एक चॉइस रहे कि ठीक है, वी हैव अ हेल्दियर ऑल्टरनेटिव. ऑल्सो एक ऐप आपके फ़ोन में रहता है, तो इट इज़ अ रिमाइंडर टू यू फॉर अ बेटर हेल्थ.
True, ma'am. It's literally it's very easy to access an app than a website. I must say that. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that Morning Wala is bringing back traditional medicine groceries and superfoods like Shilajit and Sea Buckthorn. So, how do these natural ingredients enhance the overall health and well-being?
So when I talk about MW special, that is Morning Wala special, we talk first. I'll talk about Sea Buckthorn, how Sea Buckthorn has helped Ladakh itself, and our honorable Prime Minister himself is supporting the idea of it. Sea Buckthorn is one berry which has all omegas, all omegas. There is no berry in India which is all omega. First that. Second, it is very good vitamin C, better than any natural vitamin C available in India right now. Apart from that, it can declog your artery, purify your blood. So these are unidentified or maybe underrated products from the parts of India that we are gathering. Sheila Jeet is one product which we say is equal to stamina. Now that's a marketing gimmick जो कुछ साल पहले खेला गया था, और आज भी अगर आप शीला जीत बोलो तो कुछ लोग मतलब बहुत हेजिटेट करते हैं. But
True.
Shilajit is actually very good for women. If a woman takes Shilajit for a month, women will see the change in the metabolism. The metabolism will go so high कि उनका belly fat reduce हो जाएगा, hair skin texture improve हो जाएगा, cold cough नहीं होगा. शीलाजीत को हम immunity shot भी कहते हैं. शीलाजीत को स्टैमिना से एक लॉजिक है, इसलिए इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया क्योंकि वो मेटाबॉलिज्म आपका हाई करता है. और जब आप मेटाबॉलिज्म आपका हाई होता है तो खाना जल्दी डाइजेस्ट होता है, जिसकी वजह से आप वेट गेन नहीं करते हो. So all the more, Sheila Jeet is a very unique and different product, and we are trying to change the perspective of people towards it. We introduce Kesar, we introduce Sattu premixes. That is again MW special. We have introduced date and jaggery powder, sugar alternatives. We have introduced date and almond powder for
Okay.
working mothers who cannot actually make a powder out of dates and almond. So we have made a powder which is mixed, which has more, which is both dates and almond in it. और वो दोनों मिक्स करके उसमें आप दूध में डाल के बच्चों को पिला सकते हो. So we are making such changes, and we are introducing, like we have introduced cassia cinnamon from Kerala. Now this cinnamon is very medicinal, again cholesterol आपका better करता है. So इस तरीके के spices जैसे हमारी लाल मिर्च है, that comes from Jodhpur, that we call it Jodhpuri लाल मिर्च. हमारा जो जीरा है, that comes from Western Ghats, moreover from Gujarat. एंड अरहर दाल जो हमारी तुअर दाल है वो भी हमारी गुजरात से आती है. तो हमारे जितने भी मसाले दाल हैं वो सारे जीआई टैग स्पेशलाइज्ड प्लेस से आते हैं, तो आपको वो ऑर्गेनिक तो मिलता ही है, पर प्लस वो स्टेट का एक एसेंस भी मिलता है. सो दैट्स द होल पर्पस, एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट इट इन द बेस्ट प्राइजेस पॉसिबल.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for telling us that these products also exist in the market, which are affordable, which are government certified, and which people should try for because they have great health benefits too. So, ma'am, finally, what message would you like to share with the aspiring agripreneurs who wish to drive change within the agriculture community?
See, first you have to change yourself and your eating habits. Preach what you teach, right? If you're not going to follow things with what you are going to sell, because whatever today I am selling at my platform, ethically I'm using it. So, you have to be healthy to sell healthy products first. Regarding agripreneur, it has to be, see, एक तो conscious होना चाहिए आपका कि आपका conscious किस तरीके से काम कर रहा है. आप जो लोगों को बेच रहे हो वो आप consciously बेच पा रहे हो, सो वो एथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. प्लस यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू खाने की रहनी चाहिए जो आप बेच रहे हो, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली वी ओ समथिंग टू आर कंट्री ऑल्सो. प्रॉफिट हर चीज़ नहीं होता है. एक कंट्री को भी जवाब देना है. वी आर, द कंट्री मैन आर पार्ट ऑफ अस, एंड वी आर अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस नेशन. एंड बिजनेस के साथ हम ये भी ध्यान रखें, जैसे हमारे मतलब लेट रतन टाटा सर हमेशा बिजनेस तो करते ही थे, बिजनेस का भी ध्यान रखते थे, एंड यूज टू टेक केयर ऑफ कंट्री मैन ऑल्सो. एंड दैट्स हाउ ही फ्लरिश्ड इन बिजनेस, and he flourished as a human, and we respect him today. So I always follow his footstep कि हम न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू भी दे दें, हम एक कॉन्शियस चॉइसेस भी बनाएं, और अपने देशवासियों के लिए भी हम एक रीजनेबल प्राइजेस पे चीज़ों को, कॉन्शियस चीज़ों को जो बिना किसी एडल्ट्रेशन के हो वो प्रोवाइड कर सके बेस्ट प्राइजेस में. ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है एक एग्रीप्रेन्योर जो भी बनने चाहते हैं उनके लिए. इस मतलब इफ़ यू चूज टू बी इन द ऑर्गेनिक इंडस्ट्री, दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इट कि आप ऑर्गेनिक बोल के ऑर्गेनिक बेचो. डोंट सेल समथिंग विच इज नॉट ऑर्गेनिक सर्टिफाइड और एडल्ट्रेटेड.
Yes, ma'am. This is like you have truly said that the first thing to start an agripreneur journey is to be honest with yourself, and the second thing that you should never forget the nation because nation come first.
Yes.
So yeah. So Nidha, it's been really inspiring to hear about your journey and the incredible work that you are doing. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your insights with us today. We wish you continued success in your mission. Yeah, to transform India food culture. Thank you
Pleasure.
so much. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here. Thank
Pleasure.
you.
Pleasure. Thank you.